Ghanaian football stars Kudus Mohammed and Kamaldeen Sulemana have launched their annual Ramadan food distribution project targeting the less privileged. This philanthropic effort aims to provide essential items to those in need during the holy month. The project commenced with the donation to Sheikh Abdul Malik Mega, an Islamic scholar and caretaker of orphans in Kaswa, central region of Ghana. The donation consisted of items and essentials including bag of rice, cooking oil, and prayer mat, among others. Sheikh Abdul Malik Mega expressed his gratitude to the footballers, praying for their success.
Abin da za mu ce ne a cikin wannan rana mai albarka, wannan wata mai girma mai daraja, Allah ga yan wayenka don wa Kudus da kuma Kamaldeen da irin alkhairin da suka yi ma al'ummar musulmi, Allah kai ma ka musu tukuici da gidan aljanna. Allah kafansu da suke buga kwallo da shi ka sa musu albarka a ciki, ka kare su da sharri na mutum, ka kare su da sharrin dukkan mai sharri. Allah muke roko inda suke cire wanga dukiya su farata wa al'ummar musulmi rai, musamman a cikin wannan kasa ta Ghana. Ubangijin Allah kai ma ka gaggauta biyan bukatunsu.
According to Yusuf Suleiman, project coordinator, the initiative seeks to support the less fortunate during Ramadan while also earning the pleasure of Allah.
On behalf of Kudus Mohammed and Kamaldeen, we are here to do a Ramadan outreach to the less privileged at Kaswa orphanage. Yes, to them, since we are in the month of Ramadan, this is a little token that they have to support the less privileged for them to use for the month of the fast.
The annual project, which benefits communities, continues to bring relief and hope to families in need during the holy month of Ramadan.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.